Revelation 19, verse 19. And I saw the beasts and the kings of the earth and their armies gathered together to make war against him that sat on the horse and against his army. And the beast was taken, and with him the false prophet that wrought miracles before him, with which he deceived them that he received the mark of the beast, and them that worshipped his image. These both were cast alive into the lake of fire, burning with brimstone. That's gonna be